Totally false advertising on this thing. If the sizing was correct, my custom cut board that fit my old one would fit perfectly in here. I can clearly visualize and see that that one is bigger, nicer. Now, let's measure it. This is supposed to be 24. Not even 22. This is supposed to be 60. Not even 57. This is supposed to be 14. Not even a foot. It's supposed to be 17 inches from the car. No way I'm even fitting that in there. No way. Even if I went correctly, a couple inches, you may be looking at 12 inches. Totally false advertisement. Super cheap. Rattly, annoying. This is obnoxious. That one's got an actual bolt. I thought I was getting this, and I got this. Scam.